Now I show you how to make beautiful project in Irish lace technique. As you can see, I have done picture in real size. I mark the beginning of the pattern and work in this direction. As you can see, I will put my cord under the flower and I will do the same in this side. I have pinned my cords on the pattern. I have sewn all places of contiguity. In this case, I put two cords together, and in the first case, I cut main cord. I put my white cord, sew places of contiguity, and I did the same in this point and here. Sew the flower, then you should sew the main flower of this project. Firstly, I pin it. You should sew this point and here. Now I'm going to fill up all my project. I'm going to fill up all 3 places. If you have long cord, you can cut off it. I put the cord on the pattern, pin it. I mark this point and you should cut off here at this point. I will cut off here. I leave a half of centimeters. I remove all the yarns. You have a thread. I begin the cord from this point. I remove all loops. Then insert the hook into 2 loops. Now the cord is ready. I pin it. You should remove the yarn along the cord. I pin this thread. We are working on the front side of the project. Let's look at this side. At this point, I used thin cord. This cord is the chain made of chains. Then you should make single crochet around this chain. We'll continue the work. Let's look at the upper part. I'm going to work with chain made of chains, then I will make single crochet around this chain and sew 2 beads. Now I show you how to fill it up all 3 places. Firstly, I will work with braids. Here I will make chaotic mesh, then work with chaotic mesh here and here. At this case you should make braids. Let's begin the work. I have done the second project in Irish lace technique. You can add separate element made in Irish lace technique, like this. This is my examples. We have done 2 unusual projects in Irish lace technique, and now I show you how to join them together in large piece of work. In this case I will use separate element. You can add more elements made in Irish lace technique than I did. Then you should sew all places of contiguity, and our beautiful large project is ready. Rachel Boutique is the unique, stylish, handmade clothing studio of Elena Rugal. Together with purchasing ready clothes, you can also order any model you like at the boutique to be made special for you. Thanks for watching.